Help! Help somebody! Oh! Oh, got it! Wait, it was Steve again.
Justin?
They start eating the house, and suddenly a mean old witch comes out and...
Thank you so much, Thomas the Submarine.
Happy to help. I'll find that crate and be right back. Hello, little fishes. There it is. Oh no, it's all tangled in seaweed. I'll need some help. They did it! I've got it!
There, job complete. And I couldn't have done it without you, Thomas.
And those fish. All right. Good day, Cranky.
Oh, Thomas, one last thing. Happy birthday!
That's not very good. But not then the Mr. Pickle kicks the Georgia chair. Does not for quick for Questy's a bow. Oh, hi there, it's me, Picture here. I have an idea. You have an idea. You Questy's a bow. Here's upon a time travel remix. You're gonna break wall. You're gonna have a break wall, China. This brick wall, this side high wall, deeper than the other. See, I this side. Oh boy, yeah. GDS, huh? That's another way. That's not quick. 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 Don't touch quick. What are we going to do on the midday?
Dream Castle! Uh-oh! The golden rooster is locked outside the castle! The Dream Fairy can't hear the rooster! She's still asleep! Dora, Boot, and the Super Babies need to get to the Dream Fairy's castle to wake her up. Well, I know how to get there super fast. First, you have to go past the Giant's Forest. Then you go over Dragon Mountain. And that's how you'll get to the Dream Fairy's castle. So remember...
Hello there, I'm Mr. Pickle. For the hidden door is a secret jungle. The flowery garden doesn't have super spy caves. For Justin scared, some kids screaming. For the basement, for town daddy for the cell phone. You have to be able to hide, it's hard to destroy.
Does this sound like the animal in trouble?
Oh dear.
Oh no! That sounds like a fire truck snoring. The siren was asleep.
We are really going to need your help today.
What is that sound? Do you know?
Snoring!
Snoring? Is Steve still sleeping? There's no time for sleeping. Will you go with Blue and wake up Steve? Excellent.
We'll go start the breakfast.
Yummy, yummy. Steve, it's time to get up. Steve, wake up.
Duck, duck, goose.